because I can send you Bitcoin in a few seconds, but for me to transfer gold ownership is a very physical process. Gold is probably the world's true global currency. Gold and silver have always played this role that Bitcoin does. It always will do. It is a global store of wealth.
Raoul Pal, the co-founder and CEO of Real Vision, and a former hedge fund manager, Goldman Sachs executive, and a crypto investor. In this video, Raoul will share his insights on Bitcoin's movement expectations this week. How can crypto owners impact U.S. politics, particularly in California? Why does he favor crypto over traditional stores like gold and silver? Why is intervention crucial to prevent financial market collapse during a crisis? Don't miss this exciting and informative interview with Raoul Pal.
Coinbase has 110 million accounts. They're not all the US. Let's say 50% of the US. It's probably more, of which there are about 12 million actives, and I think that'll go up. So think of those as the voters. So there's a swing vote here of somewhere around 10 to 20 million voters probably who care about this enough. So
Yes.
it probably matters reasonably. You need to look at the distribution of crypto owners. Are they all on the coasts? I'm not sure. I think it's pretty evenly split. So I think it would help the Democrats. I think whoever's going to take it, we've seen RFK take it. So that's the independent. We've seen the Republicans haven't fully embraced it. Vivek did, but we don't know where he's going to shake out. Trump's obviously made the NFTs. He hasn't made the I Hate Mooch NFTs yet, but I'm sure they're coming. If the Democrats screw this up, I don't think people are going to forget, and they will vote.
Bitcoin bulls continue to fight for the road toward all-time highs, with resistance around $52,000 currently forming the battleground. Titan of crypto, capturing overall market sentiment, suggested that extremely bullish momentum could take BTC another 6% higher in the coming week. Uploading a weekly chart including Ichimoku cloud data, he outlined one more upside target left to hit, with 2 already achieved. Both targets 1 and 2 have been hit, but $50,900 is a strong level. If Bitcoin manages to close a weekly candle above, target 3 at $55,400 is next, part of the accompanying commentary stated. Wait a minute, everyone. Welcome to Bitcoin Zella, your platform for daily cryptocurrency analysis and news. Our mission is to keep it simple. Bitcoin Zella offers engaging information that is easy to understand. Our analysts keep their eyes on the latest news to provide valuable insights via email. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join our community of 10,000 subscribers and experience the new edge with Bitcoin Zella. Subscribe now.
Gold and silver have always played this role that Bitcoin does. It always will do. It is a global store of wealth. Gold is probably the world's true global currency. But what we're finding is in a digital age, they don't work as well. Because I can send you Bitcoin in a few seconds, but for me to transfer gold ownership is a very physical process. Or we move paper rights around, which is kind of goes against the case for it. So gold will do fine in the same environment. It's there to save you. It's just not done as well because it doesn't have this technology supercycle behind it. So I prefer crypto than gold or silver, but they're ways of skinning the same cat, as you say.
U.S. Treasury Department issued a report on the illicit use of virtual assets and the challenges and opportunities for combating it. The report acknowledges that the use of virtual assets for money laundering is far below the use of cash and other conventional methods, but also highlights the risks posed by ransomware scams and dark web activities. Coinbase, the largest U.S. crypto exchange, released a report based on a survey of voters in California, which showed that 78% of crypto owners would be more likely to support candidates who favor new and innovative technologies, and that 27% of Californians own crypto.
Play that out. What if they didn't do it? People say they should just let the markets clear. Okay, so letting the market go down 80% wipes out most of the wealth, the entire financial system. Nobody cares about the financial system, I get it. But the wealth of the retirees in their pension plans, the farmers, the teachers, the firemen, all of these people, they all rely on pensions.
OECD released a report on pension markets in 2022, which showed that pension assets fell by 14% in the OECD, down to $51 trillion, due to elevated inflation and higher interest rates. The report also highlighted the challenges and opportunities for pension systems in the post-pandemic recovery.
That's the real issue we're trying to solve here at a very top level, is how do I keep that recorded ownership of what is mine and what is yours, and don't pollute them because some third party uses them for their own means. And then before you know it, nobody knows anything. But the other big change was obviously the internet. So when I got into this journey, the internet was around, but it wasn't the scale of what it is now. We're now creating these global nation states that are digital, that operate outside of the US or the UK or Europe. And they need a system of, as we get more digital, each day our lives get more digital. Digital assets now have value. This digital infrastructure is much more efficient at moving stuff around and recording the ownership. So if we now go to this system where in the United States you buy a house and it gets stamped and go to a notary and then it get recorded in a registrar, this can be instantaneous, everywhere and nowhere, and always verifiable. So it's really the operating system for the digital age. And without it, it kind of doesn't function. It's all a bit clunky. But with this, it's instantaneous settlement, recorded ownership, and transfer of everything. Global debt is 400% of global GDP. These are bananas numbers. So what does that mean? We talk about debt a lot. What it means really is the collateral, the assets, the back of the system have lots and lots of people claiming on them. So if anything goes wrong, you get a fraction of your money back. Also, we're learning that banks are now bailing in creditors. So you find that the issue in the leverage world is you actually don't think, whatever you think you own, you don't actually own. It can be taken away from you.
And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Zella. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. Not know why you haven't subscribed yet? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.